Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to All Things Flossy. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the best turkey ever, to make it juicy, flavorful and tender. Stick with me and let's get right into the video. So I'll start off by prepping my turkey, and I have a 12-pound turkey right here. I'll take off all the giblets from the turkey, which consists of the neck, the gizzards, the liver, and I'll put it on the side. I am going to brine my turkey. So brining my turkey is just having a salt-based flavorful solution. I have here a gallon of water, some cloves of garlic, rosemary, a quarter cup of chicken bouillon seasoning. I'm using a quarter cup of salt, and I used a tablespoonful of cloves. I'll bring it to a boil, and after it boils up, I'll allow it to cool. So I have a large plastic, and I'll be putting my turkey in there. And since my brine solution is cooled down, I will be pouring it all over my turkey, and I'll let it sit overnight. So you can do this you can brine it for at least 8 hours. Oops, I made a mistake. You can brine this for at least 8 hours or at most 18 hours. And then I'll just tie this up and put it in the fridge overnight, and then we will get back to work again. Now I'll be making a sauce for my turkey injection. I have here a quarter cup of oil. I have here 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce. I have a tablespoon of salt, and I have here 3 tablespoonfuls of seasoning mix. I'll show you what I use in the description box. You can use your own choice. I'll cook this under medium heat, and when it's done, I'll just allow it to cool down. So now I'll be blending this paste, which makes up of half of a large onion. I have here some garlic cloves. I have some basil, and I have some rosemary. In a large bowl here, I have my blended paste. I'll add a tablespoonful of my seasoning mix, and I'll mix it all together. I smell the goodness from the basil and the rosemary. And I'll add about a tablespoonful of cayenne pepper. I want some spice in my turkey. My turkey is now out of the brine, and I have potted it dry as much as I can. It's still got some wetness around it, but I have tried, and I will be getting ready to spread some goodness. I'll make an opening underneath the skin, and I'll go as deep as I can, but just be careful and gentle about it so you don't tear into the skin. I have here a stick of batter, and I will be cutting them into pieces, and I'll place it underneath the skin, and I'll push it deep down as far as it can go, but just be careful you don't tear into the skin. This will add to the turkey being juicy. Then I'll place my paste underneath the skin of the turkey. I just want some flavor, you know. I'll place some into the empty cavity as well. This is the top of this is the head, the part of the head side. I'll rub this all around the turkey as well. I'll be getting ready to inject my turkey, and by doing this you ensure even flavor all throughout the turkey, all around it. You inject every part, the breast, the thighs, the sides, the wings. Just inject where there is no bone, and then I will brush over some of this sauce around my turkey, and I'll cover this and let it sit in the fridge for another 6 hours. After 6 hours, I'll insert here some shallots. I have here some cloves of garlic, and I have here some rosemary. And I'll tie my drumsticks together, and I'll get ready to bake my turkey in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. After an hour and a half, I will be brushing over my turkey with batter, and I'll do this all throughout the turkey, all around it. Now I'll cover with some foil and let it bake again. The smell from this bird is so amazing. After an hour, I'm brushing off. See how the batter slides off? Well, I turned over my turkey and I'm brushing it off again. I'll bake this for another hour and 30 minutes. And after 4 hours, my turkey is all ready. I garnished it as beautiful as I can. And we are ready to enjoy this turkey. I hope you have a beautiful Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoy this video. Until my next one, love God, love people, and stay graced up. Bye-bye.